Well. Now we have to move the foot pedal, and I have no clue as how to. Okay. Should we say 15 or should we say 13? 13 it was, so we have to find 13. That's it. Okay. Loose it is. Don't tell me. Okay. I take this off. And this off. I can do that. Oops. Okay. Okie dokie. And we can do this. Moves. Okay. Here. It's not long enough. Grrr. Okay. This one came with it, and it's longer. So that means we will have to roll the whole table over. So you'll see how we can solve this. If we can solve this, of course we can. If we just think a little bit, should be easy. Not the masters of thinking, but at least if we think a little bit, then we should put this one up. I want to have it like that. We're gonna put this one in place. Now we are getting closer to rock and rolling. Now we have to connect things. And what do I have to connect? This one here, RC cable. Okay. have no idea what this cable does, but it's supposed to go in here, and I hope it's the right way. What do we have? Should be one more. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Here it is. And this one goes like that. I think. Yeah. Okay. Done. I think. Let's check out if this works. You think so? I don't think so. It turns on. And we've got 300 at the maximum speed. Whoa! Beautiful! It works! Yes! And do you hear? Almost no noise. I've got some scrap of leather, but I have no thread. Okay. So, just to let you know, old machine had 2,850 RPMs per minute, they said. I'm gonna set this machine to 2,850, and you will see that is the speed. And you can see now I can go slow and fast, but I can also pull this down. It's said that this motor runs 200 to 6,000. I have only been able to set it down to 250, but I can keep it there. And you think that I can control when I am dealing with leather at this speed? Oh yes, this is beautiful. Now let's put in some thread, move up and see, yeah. Never goes beyond that, but you've got the touch. You can do one stitch at a time. It was impossible with the clutch motor. Now I have control. This is absolutely amazing. Yes. Let's put in some thread.